Good morning everyone. In this video lecture, I'll discuss 20 important vocabs from the Hindu newspaper. To do so, I have divided the lecture into two parts in order to save your time and make you understand clearly. I'll upload 20 vocabs every week with detailed explanation. Let's start. First word is tawdry, which is an adjective. Adjective is a word that modifies noun or pronoun. For further explanation why it is required, please go through my lecture on easiest way to learn vocab, for which the link is provided in the description section. Meaning of tawdry is showy, cheap or of poor quality. Showy means that which is very bright in appearance due to colorful nature. Thus, meaning of tawdry is which is of poor quality and having bright appearance. Tawdry jewelry, jewelry of poor and cheap quality. Second example, although Mrs. Sharma had lots of money, but she always wore tawdry jewelry. Synonym of tawdry: cheap, low grade, impure. Antonym: refined, polished, high grade, superior. Next word, that is deride. It is a word that describes an action, meaning to mock or to make fun of. Example: Singh's spoiled daughter thinks it is good to deride homeless people. Synonym: ridicule, mock, or taunt. Ridicule, which means to make someone or something appear silly. Antonym: admire or compliment. Next word, hobble, which is a verb. It means to walk with difficulty. For example, after he met with an accident, he hobbled to go without stick or wheelchair. Synonym: stumble or stagger. Stumble we generally use when someone speaks by taking pauses, and in other sense its meaning could be to hit the foot against something when walking. And stagger, which is similar to it, which means to walk with short steps in case of illness. Antonym: stride or to move freely. Stride means to walk freely with a feel of determination and confidence. Next is acrid, which is adjective, meaning bitter and unpleasant in taste or smell. For example, the orange had an acrid taste I found quite bitter. Synonym: pungent, sour, where pungent means very bad smell. Antonym: sweet or unbitter. Next, fifth is collude, which is a verb derived from Latin verb ludo, meaning to play, and co means together. Let's try to relate the meaning of collude: to work together secretly, specially in order to do something illegal or dishonest. For example, the president accused his opponents of colluding with foreigners. Synonym: conspire, which means to plan to do something bad or illegal with a group of people. Serendipity, which is a noun, meaning the occurrence of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Let me clear you the meaning with example. To meet my girlfriend in the same compartment while traveling to home is like serendipity for me. Synonym: chance, fluke, luck. Fluke means a lucky result that happens by accident. Next, recluse, meaning a person who lives alone and maintains very little contact with people or society. Example: the virus made people to lead a recluse life. The present scenario we can take with this: my neighbor is a recluse. I only see him once a year. Synonym: hermit, nun, monk, ascetic. Hermit means Saint. Ascetic means one who leads a simple life away from town. Antonym. Extrovert means one who is ready to speak and to be with others. Grotesque. Adjective. This meaning strange or ugly that is not natural. For example, the masks are often grotesque, humorous, and the dances can be noisy. Halloween mask. Synonym. Ugly, monstrous. Antonym. Ordinary, normal. Perishable, which is an adjective, meaning likely to decay, especially for the cases of food. For example, vegetables, fruits are perishable products. Synonym. Biodegradable, decayable. 10th. Replevin, which is a noun, derived from Anglo-French word replevir, which means to give security, and re means back or again. Thus, meaning is an action or process for the recovery of personal property. Synonym. Claim. In optional, you can have accusation or litigation, but they are not to the point. Thank you.